Turn on the circuit breaker, switch on the key switch, and then you can hear a long beep from the machine. After unlocking the folding arm, hold the handle gently and lift the head slowly. The rotation length of the head, minus 30 degrees to the plus 90 degrees, can mean the shooting of various positions. The actual rotation of collimator is plus minus 180 degrees, which makes the adjustment of light field more convenient. The collimator and the head can be locked before exposing to avoid affecting the image quality. For safety, the folding arm must be locked in the process of pressing the machine. Make sure the detector is underneath when taking out the entire fold. Put the battery into the back of the detector, long press the power button to use directly. At this time, it is used in wireless and battery mode. Battery indicator is green, Wi-Fi indicator is blue. In actual use, you can also check the detector battery power in the lower left corner of the ROC software. When using the charging box to charge the battery, the blue indicator means the battery is charging, and the green indicator means the battery is full charge. Other accessories are wire and power mode accessories. Please keep them properly. Please place the power on detector in the accessory box of the power on machine before pushing it to the wall. Holding the handle and raising the head while the machine is at a suitable distance from the bed. Then slowly push the machine to adjust the head above the right knee. Double-click on our Imagery Processing Workstation software, DROC. You are advised to log in to manage it, and the password is MGR. Enter the name, gender, age, and ID in new patient mode. The ID here is a specific number that matches the patient. You can choose the position you want to photograph according to the model on the left. This interface is our most commonly used exposure interface, and it can be exposed directly without any error prompts. After selecting the strip, the corresponding exposure parameter is the factory default value. Slowly place the detector under the patient's leg and turn on the colorimeter after making sure the indicator line of detector is normal. After measuring SID at about 120 cm, adjust the light field of the colorimeter to make the two crosshairs basically match. If the light field completely covers the detector, it is beneficial to image quality. Turn on the button at the bottom of the wireless handbrake. Long press the button and the indicator light turns blue. That means the connection is successful. And the indicator light of X-ray will turn orange with a B, indicating that the exposure is complete. Go to the machine and choose to accept or reject the obtained imagery at the interface. In the first slide, we default to line position only for communication between generator and software. No other bad meanings can be changed. In the upper right corner of this exposure interface is the data indicator line of generator and detector. You can also rebrowse and reoperate the accepted pictures. All patient information is stored in the computer and can be viewed on the local interface. The detector can also be fixed, and the patient is in a standing position for chest X-ray examination. Before exposing, be sure to adjust proper SID and detector light field. For more information, please refer to the machine manual. Thank you.